Hi, I'm DLee Inspires, your #1 sought-after self-publishing consultant across the web. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 mistakes that authors make when marketing their books. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The #1 mistake, I'm going to start with the biggest mistake that I see all the time with self-published authors and indie authors across the web. I look at you guys' stuff, so make sure you guys are on point, especially if you're letting me know that you're either a member of the AIB Nation authors community or you follow me here on any social media platform. But one of the biggest mistakes that I find is that they market their books, but there's no link. Let me just give you an example. I saw an author who posted a photo of somebody holding up their book. And they were talking about it. Of course, they say thank you. They were doing all the great things. Thank you for buying the book. Thank you for leaving a review. All of that great stuff. But at the end of the caption of the post, there was no link to buy. So you and I both know that word of mouth is one of the #1 marketing and promotional tools of any type of business. The thing is that when you are showing me somebody else who purchased that book, right? Monkey see, monkey do. You don't leave a link where I can go and purchase the book myself. So one of the mistakes is that you guys are posting, social proof of other people showing your books, who are other people who have been purchasing your books, but there is no link for me to actually buy it myself. And so that is like a huge mistake that a lot of authors make.
So I saw this book on Amazon.com, the Desiree Lee Story, Inmate 1142980. And I read the reviews and I had to purchase my own copy. It's just such an inspirational story.
A high school student on her way to college in pursuit of the American dream. 2 weeks after graduation, her dream was no longer an option. Visit www.amazon.com and purchase your copy today.